official Bridge the Gap podcast.
And my name's Ashley.
My name is Tony.
And we're going to be talking about a few different products. A lot of you have been asking us for the longest time, when are we going to start a podcast? When are we going to do it? So I'm so excited that we're doing this today.
I'm very excited to be doing this. And especially, we already got a few talking points to get into, tackling all these issues, because these are very common questions that not only we have asked, but you guys have asked us. So now we're just going to make an episode dedicated to these questions.
Woohoo! All right, guys. So we're going to go into our first segment.
Ooh.
It's going to be our color corrector versus our new professional whitening kit. Some of our new products.
Is the color corrector and that professional wireless whitening kit side by side. Absolutely amazing. Now, the color corrector is going to be amazing for short-term goals, right? Getting those pearly whites ASAP Rocky. Now, this guy is more long-term, promoting a brighter smile all summer long. You guys are not only getting a color corrector, you guys are getting two of them in here. What? So you got one for your bestie and one for yourself. How many uses can I take out of this, you know?
50 uses each. A lot of other brands too, maybe they give you like a 1-2 time use whitening product. No, this is gonna be 50 uses per one bottle. People ask us, can we use this every day? How often? Yes, you can. It would be recommended to just kind of use it for like maybe special occasions or something that we just want kind of short, quick results for. You're
not only getting a 2-pack of these color correctors, but you're getting a stainless steel tongue scraper for free with the purchase, all for $19.99. Something I would highly suggest that we take before a date. For example, if I had a date this Friday, it's Wednesday right now, I'd brush with the color corrector later on tonight after I brush my teeth. This is something that we apply after we already do our regular routine.
Yeah, make sure we always brush for 2 minutes, and then that way all the plaque's all, off, and then we're ready to go in with the color corrector. Talk about the price on this too.
Yes.
Crazy, because especially if you guys are brand new to, the whitening world, maybe you've seen other whitening products from other brands. You already know something like this. I feel like for one bottle they would charge like $50. Like, especially because I've seen like the whitening strip market, the serums. People are starting to make a lot of new whitening products insanely expensive. If you even just walk down the store aisle, you'll see what I'm talking about. You can even take these on the go. They are 1 ounce each, so they're under the TSA mark. So if you're going on a trip too, and like Tony said, use them for like a couple days before. Maybe you want to finish off like the first couple nights of your trip, like keeping those whitening results going. You could, have the color corrector with you. It's a really tasty flavor too. I know you might be thinking that.
Yes.
Very minty, refreshing. No fluoride or alcohol in this either.
These are both brightening products, which is why we're comparing them right now. They're both brand new to the shop. They literally just dropped this week in the Amazon shop. But the biggest difference between these guys, much short-term results. Maybe you missed out earlier. This is very quick results for the short term. And that, Ashley, let them know. Is this for the short term, the long term?
Long term. And it's honestly really fancy. Like when we do open it, so it kind of just depends on what you're wanting. Maybe you guys want to try both and see what works for you. We have 2 different products for 2 different purposes. This is going to have the LED light. So here's how it looks. This is the little mouthpiece that we're actually going to put in our mouth for that 15 minutes. But before we apply the whitening mouthpiece, we're going to go ahead and use the gel pens that come in the box as well. So you guys are going to be getting 2 of the whitening gel pens. Well, we still have the gel pens here on Amazon, but the regular gel pens are not going to be this like bougie kind of like packaging. It is the silver gel pens, and each of these has actually up to 40 uses. So instead of 20 like the OG gel pens, these have up to 40 uses in each gel pen. You get 2 of these, and we get this little mouth retractor, and that's going to help us kind of open up our mouth a little bit. And then we're gonna apply the gel, 1 thin layer to each of our teeth. One little tip I would also give you is just avoid it on your gums. Make sure we're only focusing on our teeth. And then after we put that gel in, that's when we're gonna go ahead and turn on that UV light. And we're gonna pop the little mouthpiece in our mouth, and we're gonna leave it in for about 15 minutes, which honestly is not that long of a time frame either. So if you're someone who maybe you wanna like do your dishes, kind of like finish up laundry while you have this in, I've definitely done it. We get a free tongue scraper. We get a couple of our whitening strips in here, and a couple of our oil pulling sachets in here as well. So we can kind of use these to help work off those results. Like a whitening strip, I would go ahead and apply a whitening strip maybe like the next day after we finish like our gel, our whitening gel treatment. maybe we're trying to maintain those results, also using oil pulling. We already know oil pulling is a great first step to our regimen. Also get a little charging case for your light. Now, I don't have the charging case right here. I think it is actually charging as we speak, but we're gonna go ahead and charge up the little mouthpiece. We don't need batteries for it. We can go ahead and get it now for $24.99. Now, let's just think about it. If we were to go to the dentist, like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to know how much. I've personally never got my teeth professionally whitened at the dentist, but I know that it's at least like a couple $100 if you are looking to get your teeth professionally whitened at the dentist. A couple $100 is what you're going to be looking at, which in my opinion, yeah, we might see those results, but if we want something that we can do more often, more, you know, at home, and especially more affordable, something like our whitening products. GuruNanda has many whitening products, but this kit really does come with it all. Highly recommend to anyone that's maybe new to the whitening world and you want something that comes with everything. You don't have to worry about getting anything separate. That's why I love our wireless whitening kit. See, that is going to conclude pretty much conclude.
You guys have a good rest of your day, all right?
Bye, everyone. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. My name is Ashley.
My name is Tony.
And
thank y'all for tuning in on our first episode of Bridge the Gap.